I remember eventually getting the little letter. There's a position available on the island of Berneray, 2-bedroom cottage, modern sanitation, illuminations by colour gas and oil lamp. I couldn't get here quick enough. There was the tiny little boat. We were helped into it. There was a foreign language bubbling around us. I didn't know what that was. I climbed the little ladder up there, and this nurse Mary greeted her and was given those 2 instructions, Tomorrow's Sunday. Don't hang your washing out. Church is at 12. Be there. And it was a packed church. And beautiful singing, but so foreign. If anyone had told me that first Sunday in church that one of those men doing the presenting would be my father-in-law in a year's time, what would you have done? I'd have dived off the pier and started swimming. It all seemed very different.
Madanig asgnigarichin sé ar dunne dog op de hulán ús an áil. sé glória hi dunne hóisich, bei sin ar go bean a chuí opid uníist. Sí mí donú gan láchan sa deachchain. Suí opid ma danig asgnigarichin, hí donú colíine den en devar hula matin stíle fiskar. Cha sin í nasik, svei gus va a horoparach Christí sille nús an áil hulá. Ach echa coscail nús an áil nasik, gu a vacan na garichin tú otternis gus imad cardile tú Andre.
It was a lovely place. It really was. And as I said, people reached out and looked after you. He was the last of all the bachelors on the island that I met. But it was after that, May, June, July. By then, I should have been on my way, but I thought, I can do a few more months here, this is fun. And the summer dancing had started. And that's when the 2 boys, one of the 2 that came up to the nurse's cottage to get the 2 nurses, so one boy had come to take my friend Marion. She was known as the little one, and I was the big one. So Dòmhnall took the big one. And a year later, we were married.
I was very young. It was my first kilt at the age of nearly 5. I remember the build-up, actually. Gloria came down to stay with us in Cheshire, and Mum and she busy making wedding dresses, bridesmaid dresses, and then Mum, I think, made half the clothes she wore as well, so that was a Hebridean style of doing things, and wow, you know, it was quite a parade on the day.
The mahaith glee charstach to gálalig duneiste agus a gálalig. Well, mar Isaac in Australia, Gloria agus charwa komsach en a dúlchaiste, you know. Now, charwa furst the notion sjoeland så att agus hier is dat ik het fhacas foses riamh.
The day arrived. It was just lovely. And yes, it was a windy day. The sun shone, but it was a windy day. And I haven't yet seen a bride that's had to battle in that way with her veil. But again, there were helpers. Kept it intact. Oh dear.
Immer groete isteach an a Dùthchas. Ha na daoine ga boniu an, ha echtri na daoine sin, ha Dùthchas deach de fhacas, agus áte na daoine ga boniu, Dùthchas deach as na fhacas cúteach. Ha de goed musse zeggen, táirthe moike Bearnaraigh, ach Kodachrome híse den a Bearnaraigh, ha mi fadach gyn cyfil ceol ac de sin láte.